Yo, what's up guys? It's your boy 300 Mopar. We out here checking out this little meet. Y'all see it? Reel to reels out here. Get all these 300s. You already know. Make sure you subscribe. All day, every day. Yeah, I was thinking the same thing. You ain't liking this. You finna hit it? Hit it. Hit it. Oh, give it to him. You gonna give it? You finna hit it? Thanks for clicking on the video. If you liked it, be sure to subscribe. Also, check me out on Instagram. It's young_money M80. I'll put it right here in the description as well so you can see that. Also, feel free to add me on Snapchat. It's Mitch M80. Also, don't forget to be sure to check out my boy Reel to Reel. You've seen his YouTube channel right there on his car. So, be sure to check him out. If you guys like the lights, let me know. Be sure to comment. And until next time, 300 Mopar, we out.